everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to log into the RedNote app using your Google account. It's super fast and easy, so let's jump in. Open your RedNote app on your device, and on the home page you will see two options, Login and Other Login Methods. In this case, we will choose the Login option and click on it. The app will open the next page where you can see that the app asks you to enter your mobile number, but since we want to log in via Google account, we will click on the Google icon. Of course, the app will open a small window and ask you if you agree to the terms, privacy policy, and rules. If you agree, you should click on the Agreed and Continued option. Then the app will open the Google account you have on it. Of course, what is important is that you already have an account registered via Google. Select which account you want to log in via and click on it. And that's it. Signing into the RedNote app with your Google account is easy. Now you can start creating and sharing content or enjoying other features of the app. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.